Crawler adjustment. How to extend, retract the left-hand crawler chassis hydraulically. The switch must be set to the middle crawler function, red position. Push the second control lever at the front left forward. The left-hand crawler chassis is extended. The speed at which extending is performed can be adjusted by slowly actuating the control levers. Pull the second control lever at the front left back. The left-hand crawler chassis is retracted. How to extend, retract the right-hand crawler chassis hydraulically. The switch must be set to the middle crawler function, red position. Push the third control lever at the front left forward. The right-hand crawler chassis is extended. Pull the third control lever at the front left back. The right-hand crawler chassis is retracted. Teupen, access redefined.